We got two of these plates, as you can see, metal. Remove all of this plastic. That's the other one. So just to pull out kind of a design. That's the space. And let's remove the plastic before it gets sticky. That's the other one. Yep, this one is a see-through, as you can see. See-through window here. Yep, so this one sits in here, so there are a couple of grooves here, so it kind of sits in between. So let's sit this one in here too. So this is the bottom side, this one is the top. So we go this angle, press it. So there is a bit of rubber on the sides to hold it in place. So yeah, so once we've done that, it's all ready to go. So just do that in. That's it, it's ready. Now let's fire it up. There's a touch here, so if you press the button, it turns on. So you got 1 and 2. I'm not sure if you can see it. So as you can see, these two buttons have illuminated. So if I press 1, so a whole bunch of different touch options come up. Now number 1, you can select what you want to do, and number 2 as well. So if this is for number 1, so if I number 1, I want to have like chips, sorry, and then we go start. It starts to preheat. So use this button to make a selection. So for example, I'm going to go here, or you're going to go to chicken roast, and then we go play. Now the second part, which is on the bottom one, starts doing. So number 1 is the top, number 2 is the bottom one. If you want to turn off the section, press 1 or 2, and then keep the power button pressed for like 5 seconds, and the whole section turns off. I hope that helps.